Today, guys, we will be performing a magic trick. We're going to get a big egg through a small hole. And I wonder how we are going to do that. Well, we're going to be performing a negative air pressure. That's what we are going to be doing. Now, I've got my two beautiful assistants here. I have me Grace, who's come all the way from England to France to help me with this experiment. That's the only reason why she's here. And then we have our beautiful Snow White. No, I'm not going to give her poisoned apple. No. Have you the Seven Dwarfs yet? You seen them?
Yes.
You have seen them? Okay, okay, all right then. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this egg inside this wine carafe that we stole from the Chinese restaurant. Okay, so we're going to get the egg in there. So will the egg actually go in? No, the egg will not go in. So how are we going to get the egg into this jar?
We're going to use this
a piece of paper
and light it up with fire, put it in.
What, the red petal? Are we going to use the red petal, like in Jungle Book?
Yeah.
Is it the red petal? Yeah, the red petal.
Flower.
Red flower. Oh, yeah. The red flower, is it? Well, she knows more than me. She watched it the other night. She did. So, we are going to use the fire. But why are we going to use the fire? Well, actually, we'll explain at the end of this video how we get the egg into the jar when it doesn't actually fit. No, don't push it. That's cheating.
It does actually go a little bit down. Yeah,
it goes in sort of part way there. But what happens, you see, it'll go in part way and it seals. It's like a plug. It's like a valve. It will seal the air inside the actual jar. But the thing is, you see, the air inside the jar and outside the jar are equal. But what we've got to do is we've got to create what we call negative air pressure inside the jar. I'm kind of giving the trick away, haven't we? So, shall I use the red flower device?
Yeah.
Which is the biggest one? Is that the biggest one, or is that the biggest one?
I think it's that.
That one is. That's good. We'll use it. Okay. So we're going to create some fire.
You can do yours next.
All right. All right. Okay. I'm scared.
Let's do it!
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, we're creating the red flower. Put it in. And then what do we do then? We put that on there like so.
Yeah.
Straight in. Just like that. It's like magic. They've got a problem now, though. Do you know what the problem is? For some we want the fire to go out. And now we're creating gas.
You're going to blow it and it'll go in my mouth.
Go in your mouth? By blowing... How are you going to blow it? It's inside the glass jar. You can't blow it inside the glass jar. Can you? No.
You have to do this.
So, will it come out on its own? No. So how are we going to do that?
I know. Tap it.
It's got silt in it now. Do you still want to eat it?
Still
want to wash it before you eat it. Right, anyway. What we need to do is create a positive air pressure. So the pressure on the outside of the jar is lower than the pressure on the inside the jar. And to do that, we're going to put the egg in there like so. Okay, so it won't come out, all right? It won't come out. And what we're going to do is, while it's there, we're going to actually use that as a little valve. And how are we going to blow in that? Oh, my mouth won't get that big. Your mouth certainly won't get that big. Blow. You got to get in. No, that didn't work either. Let's try it again.
So
right,
fiery.
So, does it taste sooty?
Yeah.
Right, let's try it. All right, I'll come down here. Oh, I farted. Right, there we go. It's doing it. Oh, very slowly. Oh, yeah. Now there's a slight issue here, is because the size of the jar isn't very big. That has come part way. It's actually got stuck. Oh no, it's coming. Look, that's there. Yeah, it's coming out.
I thought you said that this is the experience where you do not.
Oh, let's push it back in again then. Okay, it doesn't want to go back in. So let's try to push it. It's actually trying to push against head. We've got positive air pressure in there. There's a vacuum in here. There's like pressurised air that I've forced in, and now I'm trying to push against the egg. It's actually still coming. Can you see it?
Like a heaver.
The egg is actually still coming out very slowly. It's pushing against the egg. But if I try and push it in, the egg doesn't want to go in. Can you see that?
Yeah.
In fact, it looks like, well, the yolky bit that's shown, it kind of looks like a bit like a bumhole now.
No, stop doing that. I want to eat it.
You want to eat the egg? We might have to help it by wiggling it. Is that going to work?
Okay. Can I try?
Oh, you've done it. Okay.
He pulled it out. Do you want to eat it?
No, it's dirty.
That is these dirty egg. Oh, crazy. Where's that been? Anyway, we can wash that later and then we'll eat it. All right.
Can I eat
now,
this?
No, not yet. One experiment worked a treat. Well, that was our first experiment. All right.
Well,
that worked. But we want to get the fiery device out of there at some point without breaking the glass. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Touches.
So yes, do you understand why the fire went out? No. Well, fire requires oxygen. Oxygen. You did know that? Oh no. Oh well.
Yeah,
what
on
we
the
did,
other video.
yeah, by putting the egg in the neck of the bottle, the fire burned all the oxygen inside the actual vase, and then there's no more oxygen left, and we sealed it with the egg, so there's no oxygen for the fire to survive. We starved it of oxygen, the fire went out. Like magic.
Can I eat it? No.
Not yet. Wait. You cook this. You need to be... Right, they're both the same size, like a pair of eyes. Look. Right, you know, smells of egg, I must say. Right, so we'll use that one probably. Put that down there for a second. Before you eat these, I think we ought to wash them anyway. We have another glass vessel. This one might fail.
Because it's really small.
It's got a tiny hole.
Tiny.
Yes.
There's a possibility it won't work. It might even break the egg. Also, I don't know how we're going to get it out because there isn't much air volume inside the glass vessel. Because there isn't much air volume inside the glass vessel, can I get enough pressure in the egg to push the egg out? There's that to it as well. So anyway, what we will do is we're going to try this scientific experiment with this little touch paper we created there, which is this is a page out of a book. And we're going to set a light to, using a different light this time, a red one. Just fancy a red one today. Okay. Oh, we had the black one a minute ago, didn't we? Yeah. So now we've got the red one. So let's make sure we can get plenty of flame in there, alright? And we've got to create this negative air pressure inside the jar, enough
Never.
to pull...
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, that'll burn, you've got to be careful.
Yeah. Never try this at home.
No, don't try this at home. This is a very controlled scientific experiment. We're all wearing hard hats, as you can see. Actually, no, we're not. I've got safety glasses on, but obviously the two important ones haven't. They've got glasses on, but they'll do. I don't think much is going to happen. Right, it's an egg.
I never do it without an adult.
No, yes, you must have an adult. Where are they?
You.
What, me? No, I'm no adult. No, I'm trouble.
You're adult.
I know, I'm just trouble.
You're just a
That's what
really
Nana
weird
says. Nana
adult.
says I'm trouble.
You're just a really weird adult.
I'm a weird adult.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the compliment.
Yourself.
Right, okay. Should we try this experiment?
Yes.
To create the negative air pressure to suck the egg past the long, narrow neck, which is much smaller than the last experiment that we did, which is this one here. Thank you for my beautiful assistant, my Debbie McGee. Do you know who Debbie McGee is?
No.
No, Debbie McGee was a magician's assistant. And she would do all this and do all that. She would, yes, and do what you just did. Yes, Debbie McGee. Paul Daniels. He died. He's gone now. She's still alive. Debbie McGee's still alive. Okay, there we go. Fire. We've got fire. Oh, it broke the egg into two. Oh, you want to eat that part? Okay.
Okay. Oh, dirty.
Come back over here.
I need to wash it.
You need to wash your egg? That'll be right. That'll hurt you. Oh, you're going to go wash the egg. Okay. So what you got to say? Go say toodaloo. You got my microphone as well. She's running away with my microphone. Can I have my microphone back as well?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Can I have it?
With the microphone?
Yeah.
Right, okay. You got the microphone. Little Snow White. That she has. Well, now as you can see, we have an egg stuck in the bowl. Now we don't need to use positive air pressure to get it. We just shake it out now because it's like, oh, actually, no, I don't know if it's going to come out. I might have to cut it up or something. See, the thing is, it's not going to seal properly now because the egg is broken inside the bottle. So, yeah, it's kind of, yeah. There is another way of getting out, though, actually. We might be able to do it a different way. Crikey. How are we going to get the egg out of the bottle? I don't think the blowing way is going to work because it's not going to seal.
It's going to go into your...
No, it's not going to work because it won't seal now, you see. Oh no. Oh, okay. Have I got to smush the egg? Have we got to smush the egg? How are we going to smush the egg? I'm going to use a screwdriver. That I am. So we push it in there like that, and we're going to squish the egg this time. Because it didn't, because I broke it to 2. Yeah, okay. It's like a barbecue day. It's been sooted. It's got soot on it, you say. Lovely. What about one? Oh, yeah, lovely. A little bit.
No, I don't like egg.
Oh dear.
Oh my god, you're disgusting.
More disgusting?
Yes.
No more disgusting than little old Snow White here who eats a rotten apple with maggots in it and stuff. It's poisoned. Who brought you back to life anyway? Who was it? Was it a prince?
I can't remember.
You can't remember? You've got a short-term memory loss, or haven't you actually eaten the poison apple yet? No.
Can't remember.
You can't remember either? Oh dear. Anyway, I think it's time for us to go, and we will get my other personal assistant. Get my own very little Debbie McGee here. Number 2. What on earth are you doing with the egg? You're going to get stuck in... Now what we're going to do is, to remove the egg from this tiny hole, we need to blow really hard to create negative pressure or squeezer in the middle. Oh, that's disgusting. You thought I was disgusting. Oh, crikey. Anyway, should we say toodaloo about spitting egg out everywhere?
Goodbye.
Toodaloo. Hey, Grace. Oh, God.
Oh my god.
She's spitting out egg out everywhere now. Cheers. Egg is going everywhere. Let's grab her. Oh, there she is. Oh.
Wait, goodbye.
Toodaloo.